Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix TikTok search bar not working problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your phone setting, scroll down, check your internet or Wi-Fi connection properly. Step 2. Again open your phone setting, scroll down, tap on apps, tap on manage apps, search TikTok application, tap on storage, again click on clear data, tap on clear cache. Clear cache data, it helps to fix TikTok search bar not working problem. Play Store and update your TikTok apps latest version. You make sure your TikTok apps is updated. Your TikTok apps is not updated, then update your TikTok apps. Step 4. Reboot your device and reopen it. You can follow all of the steps to fix TikTok search bar not working problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.